Gambling has created huge revenue for casinos for decades. But with the advances in technology and the convenience of the internet, iGaming has grabbed the customers out of the casinos and betting shops and back into their own homes, where with just a few clicks on their phone or computer, they can have you gambling the night away from the convenience of your own sofa. But how safe are these iGaming sites? And can criminals use them to steal your personal information? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is iGaming and if criminals can use them to launder money. Hello and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is iGaming? iGaming is the term used to describe online gaming activities, particularly online gambling. It has become a rapidly growing industry in recent years, offering players a convenient and accessible alternative to traditional bricks and mortar casinos. iGaming encompasses a wide range of activities, including sports betting, casino games, lottery games, and poker. Players can access these games from the comfort of their own homes, using their personal computers or mobile devices, and play for real money or for fun. Why do people use iGaming? The rise of iGaming can be attributed to several factors, including advances in technology, the increasing availability of high-speed internet, and the growing popularity of online gambling. The growth of iGaming has also been facilitated by the liberalisation of gambling laws in many countries, which has made it easier for people to participate in online gambling activities. One of the biggest advantages of iGaming is its accessibility. Players can participate in online gambling activities from anywhere in the world, as long as they have access to the internet. This has made it possible for people in countries where gambling is heavily regulated or even prohibited to participate in online gambling activities, often through the use of VPNs. Another advantage of iGaming is the convenience it offers. Players can access online gambling sites at any time, day or night, and they can play for as long as they like without having to leave the comfort of their own homes. Online gambling sites also offer a wide range of games than most traditional casinos, and the games can often be played for lower stakes. Here are some of the other advantages of iGaming. Bonuses and promotions. Many iGaming sites offer bonuses and promotions to attract players and keep them engaged. Interaction. Online gambling allows players to interact with other players from around the world, making the experience more social and engaging. Safe and secure. Most iGaming sites use advanced security measures to protect players' personal and financial information, ensuring a safe and secure gaming experience. However, can iGaming be used for fraud? Despite the many benefits of iGaming, there is also concerns about the potential negative effects it can have. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for problem gambling, as players can access online gambling sites at any time and can easily deposit large amounts of money. To address these concerns, many iGaming companies have implemented responsible gambling policies and tools, such as setting deposit limits and offering self-exclusion options. iGaming can also be used for fraud. Just like any other online activity, iGaming platforms can be vulnerable to fraudsters who use various methods to steal personal information, manipulate games, or launder money. These methods can include hacking into players' accounts, using fake payment methods, exploiting loopholes in the system, or engaging in illegal activity such as money laundering. It is important for iGaming operators to have strong security measures in place to prevent fraud and for players to take precautions to protect their personal information and financial details. Let's take a look at a iGaming fraud example. Fraud in the iGaming industry is a growing concern, as the industry continues to grow rapidly and attract a large number of players. There have been several high-profile cases of fraud in recent years, which have had significant impact on the industry. Here is one of them. In 2019, the Spanish police arrested several individuals for operating fake betting sites that were used to defraud online gamblers. The suspects created several fake online betting sites that looked like legitimate sites, but were actually designed to steal the personal and financial information of the users. The suspects used the stolen information to empty the bank accounts of their victims. The police found that the suspects had created a network of fake sites that targeted users in Spain, as well as several others in countries in Europe and South America. They used various tactics to lure users to their sites, such as offering attractive bonuses and promotions, or disguising the sites as legitimate sites through the use of fake certificates and logos. Once a user had entered their personal and financial information, the suspects would use the information to gain access to the user's bank account and steal their funds. They also sold the stolen information on the dark web, where it could be used for other fraudulent purposes. The police were able to arrest the suspects and recover a significant amount of the stolen funds. However, it is believed that many users were still defrauded and lost their savings. How much money is laundered through iGaming? It is difficult to determine the exact amount of money that has been laundered through iGaming, as this type of activity is often done in secret and can be difficult to detect. However, it is widely acknowledged that the lack of regulation in some iGaming markets and the anonymous nature of online transactions make it an attractive venue for money launderers. In recent years, there have been several high-profile cases of money laundering through iGaming, including a case in which a major European bank was fined for failing to properly monitor its clients' iGaming transactions. Additionally, some countries have reported instances of organised criminal groups using iGaming platforms to launder the proceeds of illegal activities. In response to these concerns, regulators in some jurisdictions have implemented measures to increase transparency and reduce the risk of money laundering in the iGaming industry. This includes requiring iGaming operators to implement Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML measures, as well as increasing their cooperation with law enforcement agencies. Despite these efforts, the issue of money laundering in iGaming remains a significant concern, and it is likely that we will continue to see efforts to address this problem in the years to come. So what lessons can we learn from this? We can all learn a lesson or two when using such sites to help keep our personal information safe. These are: always be cautious of websites that offer attractive bonuses or promotions, as they may be fake sites created to steal personal and financial information. Make sure to only use legitimate and well-known online betting sites, and check their credentials and security measures before entering any personal or financial information. Be cautious of any site that asks for sensitive information, such as your bank account number or password. And stay vigilant and monitor your bank account regularly to detect any suspicious activity and report any fraudulent activity to the authorities immediately. In conclusion, iGaming is a rapidly growing industry that offers players a convenient and accessible alternative to traditional bricks and mortar casinos. Despite some concerns, iGaming has many benefits, including accessibility, convenience, and a wider range of games. Well, there you have it. What is iGaming, and if criminals can use them to launder money? Please let us know in the comments section, what do you think of iGaming? And if you think there needs to be more regulation in place to stop the act of money laundering through these sites. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.